Make a great choice today with the 2019 Frontier. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system. Inside you'll find backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, auto express down window, power driver's seat. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.